Launch the activity by introducing students to dice, if they have not yet used them in your class. You may want to ask students whether they have ever used dice before and what they already know about dice. Show students how to roll dice safely and give students an opportunity to practice. Invite students to look at the dice and make observations. Play roll the dice as a class, so that students understand the process of rolling, discussing, and recording. Show students how to use the line plot to record the number of dots they roll. Students can mark the squares above each number with X's or by coloring in the box. Tell students that after they have played the game many times, they will be able to use this recording to see what numbers they have rolled. Provide partners with a pair of dice and a roll the dice line plot sheet. Partners play the game by rolling 2 dice. Partners discuss the following questions. How many dots are on the dice altogether? How do we know? Partners mark the roll the dice line plot sheet with the total number of dots rolled. Partners continue rolling until they have gotten every slot on the line plot. Then partners discuss what they notice about the numbers they have rolled. Gather students to discuss the following questions. How did you know how many dots you rolled? Invite students to share strategies. When you were trying to get all the numbers on your line plot, what happened? In this discussion, be sure to highlight the ways that students were counting, subitizing, or simply recognizing the number of dots on the face of each die. When putting the 2 dice together, students may have used a variety of strategies to join the numbers, including counting all, counting on, or using known facts, such as knowing what 1 more than any number is or that 2 and 2 make 4. Together, look at the line plots. Ask students, what do you notice? This conversation serves as an introduction to looking at data. It is not the goal here for students to come to conclusions about why some values are more frequently represented than others. Rather, encourage students simply to make observations and pose questions. That's the end of our activity. For lesson extension, you can make Roll the Dice a game that students can play with a partner at a station or center. Students can play repeatedly to build fluency with subitizing and joining, and to explore the patterns the class observed in the data.